Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over Chanel's 25S collection. It's not in boutiques yet, but she's coming. She's on the way, okay? According to the app, at least. She's coming soon to a theater near you. I feel like this is the first time, correct me if I'm wrong, I could be wrong, but I feel like this is the first time that we've been able to see the collection, the full collection in the app prior to it actually launching. So that's kind of exciting. I'm excited to see what's up. You guys know I do these videos every time there's a new Chanel collection. I get excited. I like to see what the new pieces are, see if I'm interested in anything. A lot of the times I have a lot of shit to talk about a lot of the pieces. Okay, that's just naturally how that happens. But sometimes there are some really good pieces, okay? So hopefully, fingers crossed, that this is one of those times. But if you guys want to know what I think about Chanel's 25S collection, I almost said C, S collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already gonna say, if you're not already subscribed, just for yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, usually. And I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like the 25S collection, I feel like it's definitely where you're gonna be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a real outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So, since I'm me, of course, we're gonna start off with handbags. That's what I do. That's how I do what I do, okay? So the first thing we have is maxi flat bag with top handle. I'm already scared, okay? $7,800. I will say this is very on trend right now. Like this very floppy, slouchy bag with a top handle. Like look at how she's carrying that. That's what we're all about right now. So I will say it is definitely very on trend. But this bag is not for me. I mean, you guys know me, right? You know what I like. This is not it. This is just not ever it. Mini flat bag. This looks very similar. There was like an ice cube bag. You guys know what I'm talking about? There was like an ice cube flat bag that came out a couple of years ago. This looks similar to that, in my opinion. It is like a metallic gold, and it also does come in silver. Why does the silver have gold hardware though? I don't understand why the gold bag had gold hardware and the silver bag also has gold hardware. I mean, I like a mixed metal situation. You guys know that I will mix metals till the day I die. I'm telling you right now. But I feel like there should have been some type of consistency there. Like maybe the gold one should have had silver hardware, and then that would have been, you get what I'm saying? No, you don't get what I'm saying. I think this one is going to be more popular than the gold one personally, because I feel like this is a little bit more reflective, but still it's not my cup of tea. Classic, so this is just a classic flap, right? Prize up our request. The bag is it's a sequin classic flap. I don't know what those colors are though. Those seem so random. Like, are they supposed to be feathers or something? Whatever shape they're trying to emulate, they're not really doing it. So no. I did mention that this is the year for like a blinged out Chanel bag. Okay, if you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it up here. But this is like the year. I just don't like those colors. Like if those random splotches of color were not there, I would say go grab it. But then maybe not, because it's price point request. So there is another classic flap, but this one, is this tweed? Yes, this is in tweed. It's like a plaid tweed. I don't like this for shit. Like, no. Oh, I'm sorry. They also make the plaid tweed in yellow. I like the yellow a little bit more, but still no, is the thing. I like this outfit though. I do like this outfit. Look at that little, oof. That jacket is nice, but still no. We have another blinged out flat bag. Okay, see, this is the one to get. Okay, that other one with the random splotches of color, ignore her for the rest of your life. This one is priced much better, and it's just silver, so it's gonna go with a lot, and it doesn't have random splotches of color that come out of nowhere for no reason. So I mean, it's a win. It's a no-brainer that this is the one for you. And we have one more flat bag. Now listen. I have like an irrational attraction towards bags that have a flap. No, just kidding. That have a handle where it's like not supposed to be, where you just don't expect the handle to be. Is that open? I do feel like that top is literally open though, right? Like it looks like it's just wide open. So anything you put in here is just gonna fly right out. Like I don't know what the point of that is at all. So maybe I'm not as attracted to this one as I originally thought. We have this very shiny metallic silver hobo bag. I don't like this at all. I don't like the shape of this. This looks just cheap to me, and I just don't like it. Let's talk about this bag, because I have not addressed this bag yet on my channel, and we're gonna do it now. The hell is this? Okay, why are we acting like this is some revolutionary, gorgeous bag? Like, do you really like this bag, or are you just talking about it because Dua Lipa wore it that one time? Okay, listen, I know This is what always happens. Like a new bag comes out, like the 19 came out and everybody was like, ew, what's that? And then everyone got on board. The 22 was the same thing. Everybody was like, ew, it's a garbage bag. And now everybody has a 22. But the thing is, this bag is so ugly. Like the 22 is gorgeous. And you know, I don't like the 22. Okay. We're going to start with saying, unless it's in a mini size, I don't like the 22. But the 22 is gorgeous compared to this bag. They also have it in this really cute green, which the green itself, the color of the green is very cute. The bag is just, it's not. I don't even want to look at it anymore. I'm just going to keep going. There's so many variations of this shit. Like, is that the only bag they're coming out with this season? Because, oh my God, that's like the only bag. Maxi shopping bag. What the crap is this? 5,800. Listen. Get a 22 at this point, because what is that? And it's one of those ones that has a top handle where it just should not have a top handle. And I love it. I do. I like this one more than the other one because at least this one has a turn lock. That's just the way to get me. You just have a top handle randomly in the middle of the bag and I'm going to be all on board. Okay, what I just said, I'm going to go ahead and take that back because this big version is not doing it for me. Like at all. Like whatsoever. I feel like this was meant to be a smaller bag. Not like this. The hell is even this? What the hell is even this? This is mesh. This is a mesh backpack. Usually when you have a backpack, okay, hear me out. You're just stuffing any old thing in that backpack. See or no? Okay. There's baby wipes in there. You know, you've got a couple bottles of water, some snacks. You just got random shit in there. Why do we need that to be on display? Why mesh? Absolutely not. I mean, I do understand that this is like the theme of the whole thing. Oh my God, that's crazy. And Chanel Minaudières are like usually really good. Like I am going to give it to Chanel. They kill it when it comes to evening bags, but not this one. Not this one, B. We're talking again about things that are just completely on display, just unnecessarily. I don't need everybody looking at my bag like this. What is that? And you're paying price upon request money for a completely transparent bag. Oh my God, they made Cousin It into a clutch. This is so bad. I am sorry. Ew, even the outfit is so bad. That model has to be pissed. Like, oh, this is the freaking outfit they put me in. Like, I don't like this either. I don't know. It's giving Big Bird. Like, I just don't like it. The white is actually better in my opinion. So if you wanted to do one or the other, I still don't think it's my favorite, but it's definitely better. And here we have another classic flap with random splotches. And it's price upon request. Just no. Okay, just no. We've got a mini flat bag. So this looks similar to the metallic ones that we saw earlier that were like gold and silver, but this is in pink. So if you are not into metallics like I myself am not, maybe this is going to be more up your alley. Oh, it's in suede. I still don't like it, but suede is having a minute right now. So if you wanted to, you know what I'm saying? We've got this delicious green. Listen, I have never had a mini square. You guys know I've had like pretty much every single freaking Chanel bag under the sun. And I've never had a mini square. And I actually really like this. First of all, I love this green color. That's just a fact. Okay. I absolutely love these like pastel greens. There is just something about them that are just so delicious. And in a mini square, being like so petite and like cute, I think it works really well. I also do really like this mini. It has an enamel CC, which I do like. $5,200. Like when did the minis become $5,200? But listen, worth it for me. I think I love a mini. What is this? We've got a bird cage. $31.50. Get out. 31.50 for that. Está loco. Let's go to shoes. Just, I never know, you know, maybe one season I will be impressed by something. You never know. Look, I don't hate that shoe. I wouldn't buy it, but I don't hate it. You know what? I'm not mad. Okay. The flat ones, absolutely not. No way in hell. Even these ones right here, no. But these, oh, they're fabric. That sucks. Those would get so freaking dirty. So maybe like the black version of those. I do have a pair of Louboutins that are like Mary Janes. They're platforms, so they're a little different, but I wouldn't need 2 pairs of Mary Janes. I wouldn't need that. So I'm not going to get them, but I actually don't hate them. And these silver ones, listen, they're not so bad. Can I see these? Because I very much am into a platform. I think you guys are aware. I know that that trend is kind of on its way out. I don't really care, to be honest. I love a platform. So I do like these. I do like these. Sneakers. These sneakers are horrendous. I am sorry. These sneakers are disgusting. Why are they shaped like that? They look like bowling shoes. And I'm sorry, I've never heard anybody go bowling and say,
oh my God, I wish I could keep these shoes. No.
All right, so let me just say, this is not my favorite collection. I think 25p, which I'll link that video right up here. I definitely liked that one better than this collection. It's not doing anything for me. There's not even one piece that really stands out in my mind. I mean, maybe that mini square in like that mint green, but that's not even exciting because like it's a mini square in mint green. Like we could have gotten that anytime that we wanted to get that. This is not special. You know what I mean? I would just completely pass on it, to be honest. There's nothing that is getting me going whatsoever. But with that being said, definitely let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of these pieces? Are there any pieces you're pre-ordering? Any pieces that you're really into, that you love, that you are buying? Let me know in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I hope you subscribe to Katie Danger and like this video. Leave a comment down below. Bye.